Hi, everyone. How are you today? Well, I just wanted to stop in and say hi. Um, there's a lot of things going on, of course. My computer, which is this one that I am working with right now, will be going in for repair, and I don't know how long that's going to take. HP, which where I bought this, well, I didn't buy it from HP, but it is an HP computer. And several things have gone wrong with it, and I've only had it for about 2 years now, maybe going on three soon. And for apparently I was under warranty for these things, so my battery, my touchpad, um, it's broke the screen, so I'm having a hard time using the mouse. So, anyways, that's going to be gone for a while. And of course, I'm sure you all know that I had some back surgery. What they did was a fusion of the L4 and 5 because of my pain that I was experiencing, and he moved that nerve. Now my vertebrae were like, I guess you could say, like this. They were extended like that. So he moved it over. He fused it with some other bone, and he put some decent amount of screws in there. Well, two of them to hold my vertebrae in place so that they would fuse together. He used my own bone, which was part of some of the things that were going on back there. And hopefully it will work. Keeping my fingers crossed. But I am experiencing a lot of pain. I can only sit for like about 30 minutes, stand for about 30 minutes, and the rest of the time I have to relax somehow, which is kind of weird because I don't know how I'm going to relax. But during this time, of course, I get a jury summons. Well, in all my whole life, and I'm almost 70. Yes, I'm almost 70. I have not had one jury summons, and now I have one and I can't go. So, hopefully, I'll be able to do that in September. It takes about 3 months to start feeling better, and of course, I don't want to be laid up that long. But what can I do? Now I had a poll, and I hope you go on to see the poll on my website or my channel, which is Pittsburgh Artist Studio, and take the poll. It's in the community tab. I'm asking what you would like me to paint when I do get back here. I'm hoping. So far, the Pelican is winning, but there are two other things that I want to do. It might be something like this or a floral. It depends on you, on how you vote and which one. So please take a vote there. My other thing that I wanted to do was to come on here and tell you uh, this is exciting. I have a new member to my channel. You want to check out the perks too. That is also in the community tab, and you can see more. Like it condenses, but you can actually see more on there, and take a vote on that also, or not take a vote, but just become a channel member. You can become a member for $1.99. It's not that expensive. There are other tiers, but $1.99 is the most least expensive. So my two members that I have is Edward Smart, who has an aviation channel, and that will be in the information section, and Boss Life Online. Boss Life is Geo Monroe, and she has helped me to grow. She has blessed me in so many ways, and I appreciate both of my members. And I just wanted to give you a shout out. Now, Geo Monroe's or Boss Life Online is on in the information section as well. She has two other channels: Team Build with Geo and Geo Vlogs H Town. So you might want to check those out also. I'll put all those links in the bottom there just so you can have it. I have her Boss Life, I believe, linked, but I can add the other ones too. And I've kind of stopped the interviews over the summer because I knew I was getting this surgery and I didn't know how long my recovery would be. And of course, I can't paint, and I haven't worked with Diana. I don't know if we're going to continue. Hopefully, when I get better, we'll be back together again. But as of now, I can't sit and do painting for a long period of time. And with my computer going to repair, because it's actually going to HP for evaluation, and how this is all, I don't know what has happened to this computer. My touchpad, my battery, my the screen has done something there, and it just, what a mess. So eventually it won't work. If I'm on here too long, it starts to act ridiculously. And I'm going to miss everybody. I'm missing you already, because I haven't done anything for a long time. I've been working. I mean, I have been doctoring with this pain since last year of May. I went to a pain management doctor. I had several steroid epidurals. I had my nerves burned. I had a couple of different procedures and nothing worked. So I got really disgusted, and I decided to call an orthopedic doctor, and he right away saw the issue and knew the pain I was in. They told me that I'm recovering very well. A lot of people are walking at this time within I guess it's about 5 weeks now, or maybe 4 weeks. They're still walking with walkers or canes. I'm able to walk without that. So maybe I'll be able to get out there dancing pretty soon when my husband's playing, because I haven't even been able to do that. And I do love to dance. So, not that I'm a dancer, believe me, I'm not, but but at least, I was able to dance to some of the music, and I miss that. So if you have any questions, if you'd like to see something, I'd love for you to make a comment, because it's important to me that you touch base with me, and that it's also good for my analytics. It's so important for that. You know, I need to keep my channel growing, and right now it's not. So, um, if you could just spare some time for me, um, I would appreciate that. And to send your love, I would love to hear from you, and I can send my love back. And check out my channel. Check it out. See the perks that you could get. Uh, I will do shout outs for people that have joined at the $1.99 level. I will add you to the list in the information section, so people can touch base with you as well, other people. And I really appreciate all my people that follow me. I appreciate you very much. And I hope that you take the time to check out some of my videos while I'm recovering, and while my computer is in recovery as well. Um, and I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. God bless. Stay safe, and stay away from that COVID, because I've known a lot of people that are still getting it, even with their shots. I have had all my boosters, and except the last one I did not get. But I don't want to see anyone getting sick. I know a few people that have had it, and they were very sick, including one of my nieces, um, through marriage. And I just don't want to see anyone sick with that. It's a sad thing. And I would like to see everyone get closer to God. Love God. He loves you very much. And so do I. Thank you for now. Bye.